Looking at the leaves right here, just imagine how this would look, come springtime, if I left those leaves right there. Why even use a blower to get rid of those leaves? Well, one, I don't want the lawn right here to be smothered. Okay, if I leave those leaves there all winter throughout the spring, I can probably guarantee a few bald spots that I have to deal with in the springtime. Using a leaf blower, first of all, it saves time and effort. You can make short work of leaves, comparatively speaking, if you use a rake versus a leaf blower. It's less physical. Also, by using the leaf blower, you increase your reach. Okay, I mean, you can rake, 3 or 4 feet or whatever, but some of these leaf blowers will blow these leaves 10, 12 feet. So that forced air will allow you to increase your reach on getting those leaves out of the way sooner. Also, you're caring for your grass. A lot of us have these lawns that we manicure, and they have, delicate lawns. Some of us cut our lawns down to a half of an inch. Well, if we went through our lawn with a rake trying to clear the leaves, that probably wouldn't make the lawn look too good, especially coming in the springtime. Also, it's not just for leaves. I mean, dead leaves and sticks and twigs are one thing, but there's other things you can use a leaf blower for. Stones, grit, dust in the garage, blowing dust off of your car. These are all problems that a leaf blower will solve. It's not just for gardens that you use the leaf blower. You got to think outside of just using it for your garden or for your lawn. There are other ways that you can use the leaf blower, and I think it's a valuable tool. You can clear up sawdust with it. You can go into your shed and open both shed doors and blow everything out. So this is a good reason to have a blower. Just a quick tip on why I use a leaf blower.